Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make AI ASMR videos without using Google VO3. So let's jump right into it. First, open ChatGPT on your phone or laptop. Now type this message. Give me a prompt of an ASMR video of fruit cutting. ChatGPT will instantly give you several detailed prompts with different styles: slow motion fruit cutting, satisfying slicing sounds, cinematic close-up textures, and many more. These prompts help the AI generate exactly the type of ASMR video you want. Read through the options, pick your favorite one, and then copy the entire prompt. Once you've copied your ASMR prompt, the next step is to turn it into a real video. For that, open Meta AI. Paste your copied prompt directly into Meta AI's chat box and press send. Now Meta AI will begin creating your ASMR videos. This takes a little time, so just wait patiently while it processes your request. After a few moments, Meta AI will show you several different ASMR video options based on your prompt. You might see multiple fruit cutting videos with smooth motion, natural slicing sounds, and satisfying visuals. Tap on any video to open it and preview the full result. You can download the video, reuse it in your content, or generate more variations if you want even better results. And just like that. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and tricks.